In this video, we will show you how to create an email list in Gmail. With email list like this, we can easier to broadcast our email message to people who in the same division, for example, in marketing like this. How to create an email list like this? Then, first you need to go to login into your Google or Gmail account. Then open contacts.google.com. You can see here. And then the first thing, you can create a label first. This is for your contact. And for example, in here, we will create for developer division and click save. And in the developer division, we can create contact like this. Just select create multiple contacts, and this is the most important. You can import the contacts using CSV or vcard files, and if you don't have the CSV or vcard file, we can just create multiple contact like this and type the email, for example clark@gmail.com, and separate by comma, and in here we'll also mike@gmail.com and david@gmail.com. Let's create 5% in here, and navy@gmail.com. This is just for example. You can insert the real email in here. This is just a dummy email, okay? And the last is mark, for example, at gmail.com. And in here we can select this developer, make sure, because we want to create for the developer, and click create. Okay, on your developer account, wow, the David is appear icon, so it's real email. Okay, then we can edit one by one for the details if we want. Okay, we can edit and select the telephone, for example first name, last name, company, job title, and but this is not important because we need to create an email list like this. After that, if you open a message in your email, you can just type the labels in here. This is developer and marketing. You can just type developer. You can see there is 5 members, and if you want to send to marketing, you can just type marketing like this. Marketing 3 members, and you can also type developer like this, and you can also join the marketing also, and it's very useful to send broadcast message using email and Gmail. Hope this video helpful for you.